Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 2R and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And here you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right. You can find the watch face you would like to use, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also customize watch faces. Under the watch face you will see this edit button. You can tap on it, and this allows you to change different things. Here we can change the indexes. If you swipe up and down, you can change how the indexes look like. Then we have the color, and that's about all for this watch face. Some other watch faces may have different options. And once you're done, you can press the home button to apply the changes. Another way you can change the watch face is to do it through the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. I'm gonna bring the phone that is paired with our watch and zoom out the camera. Like this. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the OHealth application, because this is the app you use with the OnePlus watches. So let's open the OHealth app. And the app, tap on devices, and here you should see your OnePlus Watch 2R, and you should see the option called watch faces, this button. Tap on it, it will open the watch face gallery, and here you can scroll through the list of apps, rather not apps, watch faces, find something you like, and basically you can download additional watch faces from here, if you like to. Let's say, I don't know, maybe this. And you can tap on apply, it will start downloading, and after it's done, it will be applied on your watch. As you can see, it was applied, and you can also tap on my watch faces right here to open the list of watch faces installed on your watch, and you can scroll through it, find something you like, tap on it and tap on set as watch face, and it will be changed immediately. Like this. And once you're done, of course, you can close the app, and that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.